Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. And I think you have well understood about our distance and displacement concept. And I'm assuming that you have tried some problems. And some students sent me their solutions. I have seen Raju, Ramesh, Geeta, Karishma, Reshma has sent the solutions. And many people are also there. Generally, I speak only top 5 students' names. Means the one who sent earlier, I will say their names only. I got many students' responses. It is very good sign. Today, we are going to discuss some problems from my end. After that, after following this lecture, you to try some problems from your end, from your different books. Or go to our ebooks button. There is one PDF. In that, you can find synopsis and worksheets. I am selecting these worksheets from that PDF only. You can find this question, and also you can try some problems, because I am not discussing all problems from the worksheets. I am discussing only typical, most general problems, and you can try the remaining problems. In that worksheet, you can find some homework sheet problems which are given in blue color. So I am not discussing them. If there is any difficult problem in that also I will discuss, otherwise I will leave that homework sheet, blue color questions, so you can try them. Okay. Now let us see this question. See, once I discuss this question, don't listen my solution. Click on pause button in our video and you try this solution. Okay. If you don't get it, then click on resume button, means the same pause button again, and the video plays. Okay. See this. A cyclist moves from a certain point X and completes one revolution around a circular path of radius R. He starts from a certain point X and completes one revolution around a circular path of radius R. See, this is a circular path of radius R. He completes one revolution like this. It means he came back to this point. The distance travelled and the magnitude of displacement of the cyclist respectively. Very easy question. So what is the distance travelled? Distance means the actual path. So he started here and he came back to the same point. The actual path means here circumference. The circumference is equal to how much? 2 pi r. So the distance is 2 pi r. And the initial and final points are same. That's why displacement is 0. So these are answers. Is it clear? Very easy question. Next, in the above problem, if the cyclist reaches exactly the other side of the point X, that is diametrically opposite side, opposite point to X, then the distance travelled and displacement of the cyclist respectively. Means he started here, he was travelling like this and reached this point. Exactly opposite point, diametrically opposite point. Then what is his distance and what is his displacement? As this is R, this is R, this is circumference. What is the circumference? Half of the circumference. This is half of the circumference, because this is 2 pi R. This is how much? Pi R. So the distance will be pi R. And what about the displacement? Shortest path between initial and final points. So from here to here, this is the shortest path. This is R. This R total is 2R. So displacement is equal to 2R. So our answer is pi R comma 2R. Where is that? Yeah, this is the answer. Pi R comma 2R. Over. See this one. Considering the above problem, if the cyclist reaches point Z as shown in the figure, the distance travelled by the and magnitude and displacement of the cyclist respectively. Means now he reached this point from here to here, Z. So as he reaches from here to here, he is asking us to find the distance and the displacement. See, this is what? If we can make it into 4 parts, if we can divide the circle into 4 parts, this is 4th part. So the total is 2 pi r. 4th part is by 4. So pi r by 2. So this is pi r by 2. Means the distance is pi r by 2. What about the displacement? So these are initial point, these are final point, this is the shortest path, it looks like a right angle triangle. So for right angle triangle, these are hypotenuse, this is R, this is also R. So hypotenuse is equal to how much? Hypotenuse is equal to how much? Root over R square plus R square, which is equal to root over 2R square under root 2 R square, and square and root get cancelled, means R. So displacement is root 2 R, distance is pi R by 2. Where is this? Distance pi R by 2 and displacement root 2. So our third option. Is it clear? Yeah. See this one? A player completes circular path of radius R in 40 seconds. At the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds, displacement will be So I am saying that a player completes a circular path of radius R in 40 seconds. So this is a circular path whose radius is R. He can complete this circular path in 40 seconds. At the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds means how much? 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 seconds. And at 20 seconds means plus 20 seconds. So total 140 seconds. In this 140 seconds, the question is, what is his displacement? So let us see where he will be after 140 seconds. Let us see now. As he is moving with uniform motion, circular path of radius in 40 seconds. In the first 40 seconds, he completes one turn. Next 40. Another turn means 40 plus 40, 80. One more 40. So 120. 40, first turn, another 40, second turn, another 40, third turn, means 120 seconds over. At the end of 120 seconds, he is here. Next, how much is left with? 20 seconds more left with. So, where he will be after 20 seconds? To complete one turn, it takes 40 seconds. In 20 seconds, he can complete half of the circle. So, he will be here. So he is here means he is asking me to find the displacement. So what is the displacement? Start path R comma R 2R. So this is the right answer. Is it clear? So he is giving us time as we can find where he is after at the end of the given time. It is given that a man walks 5 meters towards the east and 6 meters towards north. His displacement is, see, this is east, west, north, south. If it is like this, a man walks 8 meters towards east. So like this, he is moving for 8 meters and 6 meters towards north. Where is north? Like this. So he is like moving like this for 6 meters. Then is displacement. Displacement means the shortest path between initial and final point. So these are initial point, these are final point. So like this. So it is like right angle triangle. Side 1 square plus side 2 square means root over 8 square plus 6 square. Root over 64 plus 36, which is equal to 100. So root 100 means 10 meters. So in this direction, what is this? Northeast, 10 meters northeast. So this is the right answer. Is it clear? Yeah. A man has to go 50 meters due north. Like this. 50 meters. 40 meters due east. See, like this. 40 meters due east. 20 meters due south. Where is south? This direction. Means 20 meters due south. To reach the field. What distance he walked to reach the field? What is his displacement from his house to the field? So what is the distance? Distance means total path. 50 plus 40, 90 plus 20, 110. So distance equal to how much? 110. And what is his displacement? Displacement means shortest path. So this is the shortest path. So can I draw a line like this? If I draw a line like this is 20 means this is 20. This total is 50. So out of this total 50, this is 20 means how much is this? This is 30. This is 40 means this is also 40. So it's like a right angle triangle of side length 30 and another side length 40. We need hypotenuse. So root over 30 square plus 40 square. Simplify this. 900 plus 1600, 2500 is 25 into 100. 25 root means, root 25 means how much? 5. Root 100 means 10. So this is 15 meters. So which direction? Like this. Means like this. So northeast, northeast, northeast. So displacement is 50 northeast. So which answer? 110, 50, 110, 20, 150, 100, 100, 50. So these are right answer. Is it clear? See this one. A spy report about a suspected car reads as follows. The car moved 2 kilometers towards east. So these are east. The car moves 2 kilometers towards east. Made a perpendicular left turn. This is our left. So it is moving like this. And ran for 500 meters. Means half kilometers. So let us solve this problem in km. Because the answers are given in km. So 500 meters means half km. For 500 meters, made a perpendicular right turn, ran 4 kilometers. Means again right turn, ran for 4 kilometers. And stopped. It stopped here. Now the displacement of the car is displacement. So this is the initial point, this is the final point, this is our shortest path. We need displacement. That's all. How to find it? Can I extend this? If I can extend this line like this, and if I draw a perpendicular line like this, how does it appear? It appears like a right angle triangle. So as it is a right angle triangle, this is our hypotenuse, and our target is to find the hypotenuse. This is our side 1, this is our side 2, this is our hypotenuse. This is how much? 4. So this total is 2 plus 4, 6. And this is how much? Half. So root over 6 square plus half square. You simplify this. I am not interested in simplifying this. As it is basic mathematics, you can do it. If you simplify this, you will get 6.02. However, now he is asking us to find the direction also. So he gave the direction in terms of tan. So let us use tan theta. If this is theta here, tan theta equal to how much? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent. Opposite by tan theta equal to how much? Opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 1 by 2. By adjacent is 2 plus 4, 6, which is equal to 1 over 12. So theta is equal to tan inverse 1 over 12. So this is tan inverse 1 over 12. Is it clear? Yeah. Look at this very interesting problem. A carrom board 4 feet by 4 feet square has the queen at the center. So this is 4 feet. This is 4 feet. These are corners like this. And there is a queen at the center. Like this. The queen hit by the striker moves to the front edge and rebounces and goes into the hole being the striking line. So, if this is the striking line, behind the striking line means this hole. So, it hits the front edge and rebounds to the hole. After, this queen moves like this and falls into this hole. The magnitude of displacement of the queen from the center to the front edge is. He is asking us to find the magnitude from here to here. Is it clear? See, I repeat the question. There is a queen. It hit by the striker. So once it hit by the striker, the queen moves like this and hits the front edge and rebounces and falls on the hole behind the striking line. I mean, this is the striking line behind this. It falls here. Now the question is, what is the displacement? He is asking us to find this length. the queen from the center to the front edge. Center to the front edge. The problem seems to be very easy, but a little bit tricky. Generally, people do a mistake here. First, I will tell you what kind of mistake our students do. Then I will tell you how to correct it. In the problem, it is given that this is 4 meters. This is 4 meters. So, if we divide into halves, 2 halves, it is 2 and this is 2 feet. This is 2 feet and this is 2 feet. Generally, students do mistake that if this is 2, they feel that this is the center point and this is 1, this is 1. This is 2. So, it's like a right angle triangle. If this is like a right angle triangle, they feel that this is 2, this is 1. So, they find the hypotenuse by doing root over 2 square plus 1 square. That is the mistake. Why? In this problem, he said that it hits the front edge, but he didn't say that it hits at the half of the remaining portion. So, it is not 1. It is something else. It is other than 1. So, we have to find this distance. If you can find this length, maybe x, then we can find this root over x square plus 2 square by using our hypotenuse formula. Okay? So as to find this, now it is our part. How to find this x? Clear? For this, we have to apply similar triangles concept or trigonometry concept, whatever. I hope you are aware of the similar triangles concept. Otherwise, your maths teacher will teach you about the similar triangles and their principles. Then you can understand. Till then, bear me. So, if this is x, this is total 2. If this is x, what is this part? This is obviously 2 minus x. Okay? Now, according to our similar triangles principles, this side by this side is equal to this side by this side. Means 2 minus x by x is equal to, what is this? 4 by 2. This is 2 times. Now upon cross multiplication, we get it like 2x is equal to 2 minus x. If I bring this x in this direction, this is 3x is equal to 2. So x equal how much? 2 by 3. Got it? So this length equal how much? 2 by 3. So if this is 2 by 3, now our job is over. No more physics, only simple mathematics. That is, we have to find this hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is equal to root over side 1 square plus side 2 square. So 2 square plus 2 by 3 whole square. So upon simplification, you get it like root over 4 plus 4 by 9. So simplify this, you will get 2 by 3 and the root 10 square feet. Don't ask me how. You try this. Give work to your mind and you try this. Okay? So this is our beautiful problem. Now we are going to discuss next problem. Let's see what it is. Yeah, this is also related to carrom board only. In the above problem, means in the previous carrom board problem, find the magnitude of the displacement of the queen from the front edge to the hole. Now he is asking us to find the displacement from front edge to the hole. Now he is asking us to find the displacement from front edge to the hole. This is. So, same. Now, this is our right angle triangle. We have to use this right angle triangle. If this is 2 and this is how much? 2 by 3. If this is 2 by 3, what is this? This is 2 minus x. So, 2 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. So, this is length equal to how much? 4 by 3. Now, we have to apply this hypotenuse formula for this right angle triangle. So, how? Square root side 1 square plus side 2 square. So, 4 by 3 whole square plus 4 square. Simplify this. You will get the answer. Fine. Now, what is the next question? from front edge to the hole, and from the center to the hole. From center to hole means from here to here he is asking. Here to here, this is very easy question actually. Here to here means I can draw one line like this. Now this is my right angle triangle. If this is my right angle triangle, this how much? 2. This how much? 2. So root over U10. These are hypotenuse. So side 1 square plus side 2 square under root. We'll get this over. Is it clear? I'm not going to discuss more. You try. Because my nature of problem solving is I discuss only key ideas and I discuss physics only. I want students to solve the mathematical part. Okay? So don't mind, I'm not discussing this mathematical portion. You try it. Okay? See, a mosquito net over a 7 feet, 4 feet bed. This is 7 feet and this is 4 feet bed. So it's bed. And 3 feet high. This is 3 feet high. The net has a hole at the corner of the bed. So imagine it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners at the corner of the bed. So later we can take any corner. I am going to choose this as the corner. It has some hole here. It flies and sits at the diagonally opposite upper corner of the net. So the mosquito enters like this and flies and sits on the diagonal opposite. So here it is. It is sitting here, diagonally opposite. Actually it is back, it is coming front. So it is flying and sitting here. The magnitude of the displacement of the mosquito is. Now the question is, what is the magnitude of the displacement? So as it is moving from here to here. So it is moving from here to here actually, like this. We need to find this position. So if I take it into coordinates, it is very easy. If this is 0, 0, 0. If this is 0, 0, 0, and what this is? X-axis 7 units, Y-axis 4 units, and Z-axis 3 units. So it is 7, 4, 3. Now what is the distance or displacement or the distance of separation between these two? We have one formula. In higher classes, actually you will come to know about this formula. Maybe at this position you don't know this formula, but for some higher end students, we are providing this problem at this level. So if you don't know this formula, don't mind, don't worry at all, just skip this problem. If you know this formula, then you see this problem, because this is a foundation class in which many students are aware of several things. So for those students, we are giving this problem. If you feel that it is tough for you, just don't mind. It is not a big it is not a big problem. You can learn this, then you can easily do it. So the distance between 2 points is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So that is equal to our x2. These are x2, this is x1, y2, y1, z2, z1. Root over 7 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. Simplify this. Root over 7 minus 0, 7 square, 49 plus 4 plus square, 16 plus 3 square, 9. So which is equal to root over 49 plus 25. So how much? And from that you make the square root, you will get the answer. Is it clear? So this is our mosquito net problem. Don't worry if you don't know this formula. Just skip and go to the next problem.